Want to lock a single app on your Android phone so nobody can exit it without your permission? In this video, I'll show you how to pin apps on Android using the built-in screen pinning feature. This is really useful if someone is using your phone and you only want them to stay inside one app. First, open your phone's settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Next, look for More Security Settings and open it. Here, you'll find the option called Allow Apps to be Pinned, or Screen Pinning, depending on your Android version. Simply enable that option. You may also see quick instructions for gesture navigation or button navigation. Now, let's pin an app. Open any app you want to lock on the screen. After the app opens, go to the Recent Apps menu by swiping up and holding or by tapping the Recent Apps button. From here, tap on the app icon at the top. A small menu will appear. Now, select Pin this app. That's it. The app is now locked on your screen, and nobody can switch to another app unless the phone is unpinned. To unpin the app, if you're using gesture navigation, swipe up and hold from the bottom of the screen. And if you're using navigation buttons, press and hold the back button and Recent Apps button together. The app will now be unpinned successfully. So that's how to pin apps on Android phones using the screen pinning feature. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.